My entitled husband abandons me and our child after pressuring me to have kids, then expected me to care for him when he got sick. The day Knox and I got married, he began pushing me to become a mom. He knew I never wanted children, and though in the beginning he claimed he respected that, the moment we returned from our honeymoon, it was like a switch flipped. He started saying, "No woman is truly fulfilled until she's had a child. It's your natural instinct." I'd just lost my niece barely 3 months ago, and I think he used that grief. He convinced me that having my own little one could bring back the joy I'd lost, and because I loved him, I caved. I agreed to have one child. At first, he was thrilled. He'd walk around grinning, talking about how my maternal instincts would kick in, and how in a few years I'd be thanking him for pushing me. But then, 4 months into the pregnancy, everything changed. We were told our baby girl might be born with Down syndrome. I froze, and when I looked over, Knox just stared blankly at the screen. That night, I begged him to consider termination. I'd barely come to terms with raising a neurotypical child. I knew I wasn't strong enough for this, but he wouldn't even consider it. He said, "Children like that are a blessing, and if you throw away our daughter over something so small, I'm ashamed to call you my wife." Those words cut me, so I stayed quiet and carried her to term. Throughout the rest of the pregnancy, he made promises that he'd work extra shifts, attend parenting classes, support me every step of the way, and for the first